The unexplored potential of edible flowers lipids. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Lipids are major and essential constituents of all plant cells, providing structural integrity and energy for various metabolic processes. Seeds have been associated with lipids, although non-seed tissues such as leaves, flowers, and fruits also synthesize and store lipids. This review summarizes the current knowledge on the lipid composition of several edible flowers and highlight their potential for oil extraction and use in the food and food supplement industries. The use of flowers as food ingredient has been traced back to ancient civilizations. They add color, fragrance, and flavor to food and also are a great source of nutrients and bioactive compounds. Many flowers are edible, but proper identification is essential because some are poisonous. Hibiscus flowers show the highest fat content. 36 fatty acids were identified and quantified in edible flowers. Palmitic acid is one of the most common saturated fatty acids found in plants. Edible flowers also contain low amounts of other saturated fatty acids such as stearic. Some flowers have high concentration of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. Edible flowers are a healthy lipid source, offering potential health benefits. Flowers also have tocopherols, an essential component of human diet because they perform numerous critical functions. Carotenoids are lipophilic pigments widely distributed in nature, including flowers. They provide provitamin A and have anti-cancer activities. In flowers, carotenoids are found in all anatomical parts such as sepals, pollen, anthers, stamens, and petals. Some studies found correlations between the color of the flower and the carotenoids they contain. In conclusion, edible flowers can be a potential source of fat and oil. Furthermore, different edible flowers can offer a diversity of products that can be used for food flavoring and drink products. The lipid composition of edible flowers merits further investigation to search for prospective food industry applications. This increased demand for edible flowers, as is for oil extraction, will require a strong response from agriculture to increase productivity and quality.